Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Inflow. In today's video, I want to show you how to gift stars to your friends on Telegram. It's very easy. So let's get started. The first step to take is, of course, open your Telegram app and log into your account. Next, you have to click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Then go to settings. From here, just scroll down until you find My Stars option. Select it. And then if you have zero balance of stars, it means you can't gift your friends stars. So what do you have to do? You have to buy some stars. Click on the buy stars button. From here, you go to see different packages and the worth of each package. For example, if I need 100 stars, I have to select that, and then I will see the cost of this star. Then I just have to click on the buy button at the bottom of my screen to proceed with payment. Once payment is successful, the stars I purchased is going to reflect right here on my star balance. Once it's reflecting there, I just have to go back and then choose the user that I want to send star to. For example, this user. I have to select the user from my contact list and then click on the user name at the top of my screen. After that, I will have to click on the three dots at the top left corner. Once I do that, I will get the option to send a gift. So I have to click on that, and then I will find all these packages that I can send. So what I just have to do now is to select the star that I want to send. For example, the first one right there. Once that's selected, I will get the option to send gift for an exact amount. So once I click on the button payment, it's going to be deducted from my star balance, and then this gift will be sent to the person that I want to send it to. So guys, this is how you can actually send a gift to someone on Telegram. Hope this guide was helpful. Give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to this channel to get more updates from us. See you in my next video.